is do or die. Feel it in my veins tonight. Emotional suicide. You know it's an eye for eye. I didn't wanna walk the plank. But the Mariona, it came like the thunder. I was on my way to going under. Swimming in the pain, yeah, I was covered in a tidal wave, But I'm a fighter. Try to take me down, I'm going higher. Baby, you've been playing with some fire. You've been playing with fire. One day you will see what you made of me. Found my inner peace. You watch it release in the dead of night. In the dead of night. Baby, when the spirit die, you know it's an eye for eye. Feel the energy align in the dead of night. 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 You can save your alibi. I already know you lied. Oh no, no, don't even try. Watch the flame in me ignite. You didn't wanna walk the plank. But the Mariona, it came. Baby, it was dark, it was hard to see. And that's when a spark lit inside of me. Oh, I was lost from reverie. Oh, one day you will see what you made of me, what's inside of me. Oh, one day you will see I found my inner peace. You watch it release in the dead of night. In the dead of night. Baby, when the spirit die, you know it's an eye for eye. Feel the energy align in the dead of night. 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 And one day you will see what you made of me, what's inside of me. Oh, and one day you will see I found my inner beast, and you watch it release. Baby, this is do or die. Feel it in my veins tonight. Emotional suicide. You know it's an eye for eye. I didn't wanna walk the plank. But the Mariona, it came like the thunder. I was on my way to going under. Swimming in the pain, yeah, I was covered in a tidal wave, But I'm a fighter. Try to take me down, I'm going higher. Baby, you've been playing with some fire. You've been playing with fire. One day you will see Watch the flame in me ignite. You didn't wanna walk the plank. But then ready or not, it came. Baby, it was dark, it was hard to see. And that's when a spark lit inside of me. Oh, I was lost from reverie. Oh, one day you will see what you made of me, what's inside of me. Oh, one day you will see I found my inner peace. You are Julie's in the dead of night. In the dead of night. Baby, when it's do or die, you know it's an eye for eye. Feel the energy align in the dead of night. 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 And one day you will see what you made of me, what's inside of me. Oh, and one day you will see I found my inner beast, and you are Jubilees. Baby, this is do or die. Feel it in my veins tonight. Emotional suicide. You know it's an eye for eye. I didn't wanna walk the plank. But then ready or not, it came. Like the thunder, I was on my way to going under. Swimming in the pain, yeah, I was covered in a tidal wave, But I'm a fighter, try to take me down, I'm going higher. Baby, you've been playing with some fire. You've been playing with fire. One day you will see what you made of me. Found my inner peace. You are Julie's in the dead of night. In the dead of night. Baby, when it's do or die, you know it's an eye for eye. Feel the energy align in the dead of night. 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 You can save your alibi. I already know you lied. Oh no, don't even try. Watch the flame in me ignite. You didn't wanna walk the plank. But then ready or not, it came. Baby, it was dark, it was hard to see. And that's when a spark lit inside of me. Oh, I was lost from reverie. Oh, one day you will see what you made of me, what's inside of me. Oh,
Hey guys, welcome to Diko Graphics design tutorial. Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can use another different kind of wall plank mockup, wall wood mockup on your Android smartphone. So without wasting much of our time, as you can see, I always bring to your notice different kind of amazing ways you can use to edit your mockup, design all sort of graphics using your Android smartphone. So today I came with another logic way on how you can edit, transform, and apply effect on your Photopea using your smartphone and running a PSD file called a wood mockup. So without wasting much of our time, let's go directly into the business. Come to your Chrome browser. As you can see, this is my Chrome browser. Then you type www.photopea.com. So after this, you allow the Photopea to load very well. So after it is being loaded, then look up. You see some feature. We have the file. You see the edit. You see the image. You see the layer and others. Click on the file that concern you. Then option will pop up as you can see. The first option is new. The second option is open. Click on open. Then after clicking on open, click on the file. If your own did not have a file, it must have download. Click on that download. Then go to where you save your mockup. Go to where you save your mockup and you extract it. So don't forget, I will drop the link to this mockup at the description of this video. Go directly to download it for free. So as I was saying, I want to import the mockup. That is what I'm looking for. So I've saved the mockup on my Android phone. On my Gmail, on my drive. So, and this is the mockup I'm talking about. This is the wallwood mockup. So we have to wait. Immediately we import the mockup to allow it to load. Now it is loading. You patient. It is not magic. When you patient, irrespective of your phone, you should be able to run this mockup. If you watch this video from the beginning to the end and follow the instruction, there's nothing there. The system are the same. It's just that you have to understand the basic concept. When you understood the basic concept regarding how the Photoshop work on Android phone, you'll not be able to have issue. So as you can see, it already display the result, and look at it. This is it. So this is it. So now this is the mockup. So I want to continue by clicking the layer. As you can see, the Photopea has been updated. That's the reason why before there's what we call lay, L-A-Y, but nothing like that now. There is a kind of a symbol that indicates that layer. And when you look at something that was piling upon each other, is symbol for layer. So after I click on it, then it brought out another all set of layers. So the next thing I'm going to do right now, you see the first layer, wrote this, your logo here, and it wrote another thing, open bracket, which I cannot be able to read. But what this was telling me was that my logo, I should place it on the first layer. I should double tap it before I place it. Then I will double tap using my hand. After I double tap it, you see another layer pop up. But what I'm going to do with this, look at the eye icon, E-Y-E, beside the first layer. I will click on it to hide it, so that any design on top of that layer will not be able to be visible. Then I will click back. Don't worry about what is there again. Are you getting it? Once you are able to hide everything on top on it, then now click on the file at the left hand side again. You could be able to see clearly that the options here is full after you follow the normal processes, because before there is nothing like open and placed. What is there is new, open, then open more. open and place options is not what is not obvious, and it is not ready to be clicked. But now it is obvious, so we have to click on open and place, then click on file. Then we will now locate our design that we just made with our Pixellab right now. So let me look at that. This is it. This is a simple design that we just made with our Pixellab. Then after that, it's what you have already imported it. So you see some dots, small circle that surround this logo that I just imported. Just grip on old one, then drag it out to be able to zoom it out so that the result will not be too small and it won't be too big as well. You have to be very, very good. Get to work. Yes. So after this, let me increase a bit. Good. So after this, the next thing is to click on the file and click on double tap save with smart object. Save, open bracket, smart object, close bracket. As if you are running this on the system, you see all the shortcut options was already shows in front of all these command. Save with smart object was telling us that when you click on Ctrl+S, you'll be able to what? You'll be able to run your design. So as you can see, smart object has been updated. So the next thing you are going to do to make your work faster, look at the top. You see what we call a reception, and you see a shape 2-1. Double tap that reception. Reception is the name of this mockup. So mockup that has not been customized like that, we just write PSD. So the same process is applicable. Just tap it twice. Come to your layer, tap it once. What the meaning of this is this: your design is running underground, is processing underground. For you to know to be notified immediately it's done processing, you must tap the two so that you will not just be looking at the screen and the result will be out underground. So immediately it's done processing, it will just bring out the result because it will not respond to your typing immediately, but once you type, it will hold it. The buffer will hold it. So immediately you done processing, it will what? It will bring out, it will respond to your typing. So as you can see, I'm done. You see the result. But these are the crazy things I want you to learn here. When you look at it, you see, you could discover that there are some red things here which is not really okay, which I want to correct. So now I want it to be what? To look like a wood. To look like a wood very well and look more attractive. So the next thing is to click on this layer. So after clicking on the layer, you see there are two logo here. You see it replicates these two particular design. So it means when you look at the intrusion copy, and we have an intrusion here, you see there's one intrusion and there's an intrusion copy. So that it means this is an original intrusion and this is an intrusion copy. So now what I'm going to do is to try to hide everything here.
Watching. God bless you.
I will hide them, hide everything. Then after hiding, I will hide the whole thing because I want it to look well. I want it. Let me check. So it's dark. Don't worry. Enable this. Hide the first one. Check again. You see. You can actually see the differences. You see? So what I did was that I hide the whole thing, but the second layer, the first layer I hide it, the second layer I didn't hide it, the rest layer I hide everything. You will repeat the same thing to the copy. Don't hide the second one, hide the first one and everything and the rest. Don't hide the shadow, then back. So as you can see, you see the result. So compared to the first one, you could be able to see clearly that this is amazing. This is amazing. Thanks for watching. This is just a way to apply the effect. But if you leave it that way before, it means you just transform your design, you didn't edit your mockup. So in editing the mockup, you should be able to know how to apply an effect. The effect that was there is too much. That is the reason why I hide them, to be able to. And if you want to hide as well, let's assume that you want to hide your background. You see, you can hide the background, you see, and after you save it, it will not have any background, and you will go there, go and apply another background. It will still look more attractive. You getting it? But I want the background there. So that's the reason why we enable it. And if the shadow is too much, you can what? You can reduce the shadow as well. So that is that. Click on your file now. Click on export. Click on PNG. Wait for a seconds for it to done with the processing underground. Then click on download, or it will download automatically. Then let's check the result. So as you can see, you see the result. So thanks for watching.